What's up, guys? Jeff with HKS Systems Lock and Safe. So what are we doing today? Today we're going to tackle an old vintage 1915, I believe. It's going to end up being roughly about that era. Diebold banker safe, which is very rare. You see these, really pretty. Obviously, it's not in its heyday of glory. It's been sitting in what used to be the post office in this town. Now it is a business that took it over, and I know it was the original safe because the room and the enclosure around the safe was literally built in around it. So I'll take some pictures. Uploaded here is the picture. All right, so that's an old Diebold banker safe. So it's got some really neat handles, some really neat engraved and embossed bolt work. Beautiful. You know, that's when they used to use actually artistry in the mechanical process, where they would, etch different things that you would see. At least it's it's functional, but it's also very pretty and cosmetic looking. That it was beautiful gilding on stuff or hand rubbed bolts. It was pretty neat. So what the deal was with this one is he took it over. The safe was open 25 years ago and they never got a combination. So I'm going there to spit shine it, clean it up, decombinate it, give them combinations, check it, make sure everything's up and running. It's half the job is done, I guess, opening it, but there's probably at least 2 hours of work in there just to decode it and clean it up and get it up and running smoothly. That grease is so thick, it's like a wax at this point. So it's very difficult to dial. So I'm going to end up taking like everything apart and then re-cleaning it and then repacking it in a Teflon and synthetic lubricant to allow it to move a little bit easier. So we'll be back. I'll upload what I can, and we'll be in touch. Take care, guys. Hey guys, Jeff with HKS Systems Lock and Safe. Just wrapping up that safe we did, the old Diebold for the customer. Super antique, super cool. Why was I able to do that? Two things. A, that's my gig. I'm the lock and safe guy, so definitely try to be very stealthy on the safe equipment. This is my bag of change keys. For those that don't know, these keys are required to unlock the wheel packs and then actually recombinate the locks, so we were able to do that. Just wanted to show this off. I don't think I've ever showed this. I've been collecting these for years, and there's probably, I think my last count was 185 keys, and none of these are actually doubles, which is even crazy. I had tons of doubles, sold them all. But yeah, these are some antique ones. Some of these are literally so old that they are from the factory back in the 20s and 30s. And I got some favorites here. Diebold's cool. I love this old Moser. That's cool. That's from the factory. If you don't know, Moser went out of business in basically 2000, so they haven't been around for a while. But I'm a big fan of theirs. They had really good stuff. They were a really cool company, and beautiful craftsmanship on some of the stuff. But that's really sort of like the cool thing. I probably will never sell that. I don't really use that very much. I have other ones that'll fit, but that's just beautiful to have that. And some of these old guys, they're all, if you see, numbered differently. They do fit different locks, different designs. A lot of old stuff. Some of them are newer, some of them are older. But that's one thing about being the safe guy. You have to have the proper tools to do that. Unlocking these wheels. I've got everything: Diebold, Eagle, Sergeant and Greenleaf, Lagarde's, Mosers, you name it, I got it. Yeah, really old. But one of those things, if you're going to be a safe guy, you really got to invest and do it 100% or don't do it at all. Anyways, if you need that safe stuff, you know who to call. Give Jeff a call. HKS Systems Lock and Safe, 847-204-7046. Thanks, guys.